Good morning. Well, the weather's been pretty settled lately. It's settled again today. It possibly is frosty again this morning. Canterbury, where we are based, has been very frosty lately. It's been a very frosty winter. So yes, this is the map for today. Big high pressure system. Temperatures here in the east kicking up a little bit as there is a northwesterly influence developing. Okay, let's spin around because there's a front and low pressure system there, southeastern corner of Australia, where they typically form, and that is going to eventually move in around Tuesday. Between now and Monday, the weather is going to be more or less the same as this. This high pressure system is going to slowly move out that way. Isobars is sort of going to slowly tighten up here in the west, but really it's not till Tuesday when a front moves into western regions and brings some rain. In the east, mainly it's dry again. There will be high cloud. Winds could be windy north of about Banks Peninsula from the northerly quarter. At least temperatures in the east there should be warm. No thunderstorms at this stage yet, though. Out there in the Tasman Sea, that's where the unstable conditions are. They typically hide in behind fronts. I like to say fronts open the door and thunderstorms then walk in. So there's the front. It's going to move out to the east on Wednesday. There we go. And then we've got the shower cloud, speckled shower cloud in behind. And there could be some instability in there, so western regions, perhaps something to watch from Wednesday. West coast of the South Island, mainly in the east, it should come out really nice because once that front clears out of the way, the skies will clear up. Now, there is a low pressure system there in the Tasman Sea. On Thursday, that tightens up. There we go, right there. These isobars are close and get closer together, so that means winds increase. Now, there is some heavy rain out there to the west of the North Island, and there is some instability. There is a front more than likely right about there, and yeah, once again, the unstable conditions are in behind. Unfortunately for the top of the South Island, if these maps hold true, there is another bout of heavy rain coming. Hopefully not too long lasting. Let's go to the evening on Thursday where there is some heavy rain there. There's going to be very strong northerly winds firing in from the north, and yes, that will bring some heavy rain, potential for thunderstorms there for the southwestern corner of the North Island too. Now, that low pressure system is going to move out to the east on Friday. We're going to get some rain start to kick up for the South Island there in the south and in the east up through to about Canterbury. Unstable conditions are going to continue for this western part of the North Island. So there's the low there out to the east. The front is sort of stretching out like that now. This band right there, potential for thunderstorms, maybe western Waikato down through to Kapiti. And there's that rain kicking into the southern South Island and up the east there through to about Canterbury. The rain doesn't really get too much further there in the east because that low eventually moves away further out there to the east. And this low pressure system up here, that starts to gather some steam, and then there's a front way down there to the southwest, and that moves onto the lower South Island on next Saturday. So there it's bringing showers, it's bringing some cooler weather again, but no thunderstorms really. It's a bit too early in the season just at the moment. We're in August now. The guts of the cold air is down there to the south. So just showers, just some typical wintry sort of stuff. There's that low pressure system there. It's got a lot of rain forming with it. That's going to be something to watch for the North Island on Sunday and Monday, 3rd and 4th of August. And that's all from us. We'll catch you again next Saturday morning. Cheers.
Severe thunderstorm large hail has been forecast. Storm moving northwards on the Canberra Plains towards Ashburn.